What's going on, everybody? It has been a minute since I put out a video, and that is because I have a brand new little baby. I now have 2 sons, and anybody who's had a newborn before knows it's hard to do your normal stuff and work a job and be a good dad and all that other stuff. But I'm back today. I got some good stuff. So a couple months ago, I had a guy get up with me and say, look, dude, I got a couple of old junk lawnmowers sitting under a shed that hasn't been used in years. And he says, are you interested? Of course. I said, yeah, I could take a look at them. And one of them was a Honda, and my eyes lit up. And I got it. It's back there. And today, I'm gonna see if I can get it running and put it to work. Look at this very neglected, unused, dirty Honda lawnmower that I got for free. Now, the first thing you should do when you get your hands on something old like this, or maybe it's your lawnmower that you haven't messed with in years, check the oil. It looks full, and it actually don't look like it's in that bad a shape. I'm gonna change it at some point, but not today. It's enough to get it started and going. Now, the next thing I usually do is just to check everything and see if it sounds good. You may want to do that before you pick up or purchase a yard sale find or something. Is I get a can of carburetor cleaner, and I take the air filter off, and I spray it in there, and I see if it'll hit. If it'll hit, then I know I got a fuel issue. 90% of the time of lawnmowers that won't start, it's a fuel issue. It's the carburetor. It needs to be cleaned, or it needs a brand new one or something. Check it out. See, there you go. Probably got a fuel issue. Started right up on a can of carburetor cleaner. It smoked and acted up, but it sounded pretty good. Now that we know that the carb stopped up, or it needs a new one or whatever, I think I can get it going. I don't think I need a new one. Let's tear into it, see if I can get this thing running on its own fuel. There it is, nice and cleaned up. Now, I noticed this fuel line's rotten. It broke right at the carb, but I always keep fuel line laying around. And even though this isn't proper exactly, I think this is a little pre-built or pre-bent specialty Honda thing. But if you have some 1/4-inch lines and some zip ties, and I always keep hoses and zip ties laying around. As a matter of fact, it never fails. Sometime at Christmas, somebody's gonna give me a Harbor Freight gift card for 15 or 20 bucks, and I usually every year blow it completely on zip ties. Those are good things to have laying around. Anyhow, I'm gonna get this cut to the right length, and I'm gonna use zip ties to secure it at the ends, and we'll be cutting grass in no time. All right, I got everything installed. I got that new fuel line that goes right in there. I just use 1/4-inch regular old line, and I use zip ties. I'm gonna cut this excess off in a minute. This carb is kind of a bear. to get back on because the way the bolts are set up going through the air box and everything. But just take your time, try not to bend any linkages, and just slide it on in there. It always helps to loosen that bolt. If you slide that bolt out, it's easy, but before you put these in, don't take it all the way out. This makes these two bolts a lot easier because it's all got to kind of go together in one assembly and then sandwiches to the side of the block. Let's see if we can get it to start. It does not get any better than that. First pull, didn't edit nothing. Put the carburetor on, turn the gas on, bam, there it is. Now, I had a feeling it was gonna be like this, and I went ahead and ordered some other goodies. For example, this top piece feels kind of crunchy, and the rope is on its way out. So, look at that, brand new Honda top recoil assembly is what they call it. And it wasn't more like 15 bucks. Dude, Hondas are expensive out the gate as far as buying one new, but parts are not that expensive for them after the fact. Also got an air filter in this thing. I got a new set of blades. I've already been under there, those are trashed. Got a new spark plug. And this is a mulch plug. I want to say this wasn't but 12 or 15 bucks. When I acquired this lawnmower, it did not have, it had the bag on it, and I may use the bag, but most of the time I'm going to be mulching. So I needed that mulch plug that goes right in there so that the lawnmower will function properly. So let me get all this stuff installed. Check it out. Little crusty. Somebody put a Motorcraft plug in here. That's where that goes. NGK is the way to go. not come with a sticker on it. So let's increase the horsepower a little bit. So now it looks like a go-kart. I didn't buy anything from Go Power Sports. For this particular motor, I just had a sticker, and now it looks better. Redneck lawnmower jack. Okay, them jokers are tight. Oh yeah, these things are trash. So anytime I buy new lawnmower blades, this is something you don't have to do. But I always like trying to get my grinder out and put a new edge on it. Like a sharper than new edge, a razor edge. After you sharpen them, you want to check and see if they're balanced. I'm about to show you my redneck blade balancing system. See that screw right there? Watch this. Why ain't that working? I was catching on the threads. There it is. See how it's sitting this way? If it was heavy on this side, you want to take some more off this side. If it, if it wanted to, see, you can go back. There it is. Cheap blade bouncer, piece of wood and a screw. All right, on these Hondas, they got two blades, the upper and the lower. The upper one is the one with the bigger hole. And make sure when you put it on that both your cutting edges are going in the same direction, just like so. Just like that one was set up, even though that's not much of a cutting edge anymore because it's trash. I just took this Honda mower right here from zero to hero, so let's see how it cuts. There you have it, man. That thing cuts clean. Well, it's probably because of new blades. And Hondas cut well anyway. I'm super excited. I've got I ain't got a whole lot of money on it. I'll put a little something down here after I add up what exactly I have in it. It's not much for what I got in it. So anytime you can get your hands on a free or super cheap Honda lawnmower, even if it doesn't run, I say go for it. Now here shortly, I'm gonna be cutting the entire front yard with it. And I'm gonna be doing some other things because I haven't touched this fescue since I put it down. I haven't done anything. It's been a month. And it's gonna need some other stuff. That's gonna be my next video. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like this video if you learned anything. And go ahead and find me on Instagram under Lord of Junk. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me.